Want to fix the login failed or unusual activity error on ChatGPT? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. To check, you first of all want to toggle on the airplane mode. After some time, you simply want to toggle it off. Now open up ChatGPT app or ChatGPT in a web browser and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then you want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. Next, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to status.openai.com to check for ongoing outage. If services are degraded, wait until they have resolved this problem. If you're still blocked, then open up ChatGPT. Now tap on the two lines at the top left corner, then select your username. Now select the sign out option. After some time, you again want to log back in and check. If you're still facing this problem, open up your settings, scroll down a bit and tap on apps. Now select ChatGPT, then select storage. Now tap on the option of clear cache. If you're using ChatGPT on a web browser, you want to clear the cache of the web browser. If you're using the application, you can simply uninstall the app and reinstall it again and check. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.